Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Libra. So if you have your sun, moon, rising or your Saturn sitting in the sign of Libra, this is the career and money reading for you. The first card that I have for you guys is Ace of Thames or the Swords card. So finally a breakthrough, something that you have been waiting for a really long time. You could be waiting for a clarity regarding a situation. You could be waiting to hear a news from somebody, and finally, in your sad cloud or a sad bubble, something is going to poke it, and you're finally going to find that news. You are going to see hope. So if you have been feeling hopeless, you've been feeling tired, well, something new is definitely coming towards you. New way of thinking, new perspective towards things, or a new job opportunity, whatever resonates with you, well, it is coming towards you. The next card is the Three of Pentacles. So I do see for some of you there is a start, like you might have finished a course and you're finally getting either an honor. So if you are studying, I do see you getting an honor or getting sort of a scholarship if that is what you want. For some of you, I do see this as a promotion, or you might have an opportunity to work with a new team. So those are the themes that are very, very prominent. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Page of Themes, which tells me you're going to bring a very interesting, knowledgeable, and a creative energy to the group, because the owl is here and owl talks about wisdom. So it is your wisdom that people are going to look through. You have the moon here, which depicts that nights are going to be very important. Working during night time is going to be very important. The candle is here, which depicts the fire energy, and you have a book. That means something is going to require you to study a little bit or learn something new, which I said, you could be starting a new course. So for many of you, if you have planned to kind of succeed in your career, well, this is the card's way of telling you that enrolling in a new course or even enrolling on those LinkedIn courses is going to turn very fruitful for you. The next card is Two of Chalices. So definitely there is going to be this sense of accomplishment, because these are two people, they are having, they're exchanging their chalices. So emotionally it's going to make you feel very, very satisfied. And when it comes to work and it comes to career, it is a satisfaction that counts, and you are getting that satisfaction definitely. And then we have the Oak Tree. Oak Tree is about, moving forward. When things have to come in your life, a lot of times we have been so used to looking at things, or um, trying to understand things using our own experience, our own knowledge. But the Oak Tree coming up here is advising you that you really need to take a 180-degree turn. So usually you're standing like this to look at a situation, to evaluate a situation. But this time they're telling you to turn upside down. Look at the situation from a different perspective. See if, maybe if you can spend some time doing yoga and really understanding the energy around you, you might be able to come up with better, innovative ways of finding a breakthrough. And this is what this energy is all about: finding a breakthrough, finding a recognition. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Six of Pentacles, and Six of Pentacles card talks about you getting help. But at the same time, you have to be very careful, because the person, if you are getting into a contract, especially for people who are going to be signing a contract or getting into some kind of contractual jobs, be very careful with the documents, be very careful with the partner you are dealing, because I do see for many of you there are chances of getting scammed, because the person you are dealing with, that person may not show you all his cards as they are, and they might try to trick you into something. So, and that is something we don't want for you. So that is why it's better to double check. So if you are one of those people who have their own idea about doing everything and you want things to be done your way, well, this energy is telling you to actually go around, ask people to help you out. Only then will you be able to figure out the way. And also, this is a reading for the sign of Libra, and Librans are all about creating win-win situations. You don't want to be in a situation where you lose. The next card I have for you is Four of Chalices. So definitely, because if you don't pay attention, this is something that is definitely going to happen, or at least a certain aspect of it may happen. And what's going to happen after this is that you're going to stop people from coming towards you. You're going to stop all the opportunities. And that is not nice, because you're too focused on the opportunity, possibly this opportunity that you have lost, that you'll not welcome a new opportunity that is coming towards you. And that is not what we want, because life is all about attracting abundance. Next card I have for you is the Five of Wands. So definitely there are going to be conflicts. There are going to be certain kind of arguments. So make sure at either at your workplace or in your personal life, whatever arguments you go through or whatever happens behind the doors does not come out in the public. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Six of Chalices. So something is definitely trying to control you. Please, please, please make sure you stay in your own power. Whether directly, indirectly, something is trying to control you, something is trying to make sure that you turn your head in the direction that they want you to see, which is why this card has shown up, and it is a major arcana, which means, you know, it's a major energy. And out of all these cards, only this is the major arcana, which is telling you to have patience, to let go, really evaluate people. And for many of you, I do see this manipulation is going to come through some kind of relationship that you have. So if you have a relationship at work, or if you have a like your personal relationship, that relationship is going to impact your work. And it is because of this relationship that you're going to miss out on certain kind of opportunities. So think of this as a warning. Think of this as me guiding you in terms of what you should and should not be doing. From Moonology deck, let's see what messages we have for our lovely Libras. Show the world the real you. Full moon in Aquarius. So the thing with Aquarius people, you don't know what's in the pot, right? So the sign of Aquarius is this lady with this pot, and you don't know what's in the pot. It's something hidden. It's a mystery. That's why it's this message here is telling you to show the world the real you. So if you feel skeptical, if you feel if you feel scared, it's all right to tell people how you feel. No harm is going to come out of it. The next card that I have for you is you and your loved ones are safe. Full moon in Cancer. So Cancer, your fourth house is getting activated. Something related to your mother, something related to your uh, wealth, something related to your education, something related to matters of heart, something related to affection, something related to your wealth, ornaments, jewelry, all those things, something related to your friends. So remember when I said relationships are very, very important for you. Pay close attention to who your friends are and who your truthful friends are. That would be all from my side, and I'll see you guys next time.